Think Green, EVS book of class 5. We have already done chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Now today we shall start with chapter number 4, Eating Right. Yes, right food is the main thing of one's life. Yes, Lucy gets easily tired after playing for a little while. Why? Because she was not healthy. To be more energetic and healthier, we need to have healthy and nutritious eating habits. Today we shall discuss about 5 main nutrients deficiency diseases if we do not eat anything required for our body and healthy eating habits. Food helps to keep us healthy, provides us energy for our daily activities and protects our body from diseases. What does food help? Food help us to stay healthy, give energy to our daily activities and protect our body from diseases. To remain healthy, our body requires the right amount of nutrition. Yes, right amount of nutrition. Nutrient is a component in food that provides the nourishment necessary for energy and growth. What is nutrient? A balanced diet has the right amount of nutrients in the food that we eat as per our age and lifestyle. Yes, what is balanced diet is also an important question. So what is balanced diet? A diet that contains the 5 main nutrients that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Yes, the 5 things are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. We also need roughage and water in our diet. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food. They are also known as starch food. They provide our body with heat and energy. They form a major part of our diet. Rice, wheat, potato and sugar are a good source of carbohydrates. Fats. Fats provide us more energy than carbohydrates. They also help our body to keep warm. They are stored in our body as reserves. Consuming too much of fat is not good for our health as it gets stored under our skin, which may cause health hazard. Butter, ghee, cheese and cooking oil are rich sources of fat. In this way, we have discussed 2 main nutrients, that is carbohydrate and fats. Now next is test to confirm the presence of fat. This activity you can do at your home also, like when you get tissue paper or the napkin paper in the plate to put some oily things. We notice that the oil is remained or leaves the stain on the tissue or napkin. Means to say, the thing that leaves a stain on the tissue or napkin paper that contains the fat. So let us do a small quantity of ground nuts. Wrap the nuts in a small piece of paper. Crush the nuts wrapped in a paper. Straighten the paper, then you will find that some stain over that, or you can take it to sunlight for a while. Observe the paper. An oily patch on the paper indicates the presence of fat in nuts. This activity we can do at home. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food of our body. They are needed for growth and repair of our body. They also help in building muscles. children need more protein in their diet as they are in their growing phase. Food items such as meat, egg, milk, soya beans, pulses and fish are rich in proteins. Our hair and nails are made up of proteins such as keratin. Vitamins and minerals. Fourth one is vitamins and minerals. These are called protective foods. These increase our body's immunity and help us fight against diseases. Yes, wow. Our body needs vitamins and minerals in a small quantity. However, their deficiency may cause diseases. Our body needs vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. What are the names of vitamins? A, B, C, D, E, K. Minerals like calcium, iron, etc. help in the growth and development of the body. Fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, and milk are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Water, yes, water is very important for our life. Water, almost 2/3 of our body is made up of water. Water helps in regulating the temperature of our body and helps in the proper functioning of our organs. We lose water while breathing, sweating, and through urine. We should have at least 8 glasses of water every day and eat foods that contain a lot of water like watermelon, muskmelon, etc. to rehydrate our body. Roughage. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of fiber or roughage. It helps us to get rid of waste from our body. A diet low in fiber will cause constipation, which causes stomach ache. Now here is one recall exercise that says food gives us energy for our daily activities. Rice, wheat and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. Fats help to keep us warm. Fruits and vegetables are a good source of vitamin and minerals. Water helps to regulate our body temperature. Now balanced diet. Food that contains the right amount of nutrients, water and roughage in a meal according to age and lifestyle is called a balanced diet. To stay healthy, it is important to have a balanced diet regularly. Balanced diet is important because carbohydrates and fats give us energy for doing work. Protein helps us to grow and repair our damaged cells. Vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases. Water and roughage help us to remove waste from our body. Next is deficiency disease. If we lack any of the nutrient, our body is prone to diseases. The diseases are known as deficiency diseases that occur when a person's diet lacks in required essential nutrients. So it is very compulsory to take right amount of green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits and other things in our diet. Not having adequate amount of essential food on a regular basis may result in the following diseases. Number 1 is malnutrition. Malnutrition is a condition that develops in a body when it does not get adequate amount of nutrients in the diet. Children who don't have a balanced diet over a period of time suffer from malnutrition. Their diet lacks either in proteins or vitamins and minerals. They do not get enough nourishment. Malnourishment in children occurs at the age of 1 to 5. A child suffering from malnutrition will show some or all the symptoms like develop a big stomach, as if it is filled with air, has thin upper arms, get tired easily, shows slow growth, swollen and bleeding gums, or dizziness. A malnourished child can get better only by having a balanced diet and by giving him or her extra supplement of proteins or vitamins and minerals. Night blindness. A person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. The eyes become dull, triangular patches appear on the white portion of the eyes, and the skin becomes dull and scaly. The disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. A diet rich in carrots, papaya, mango, green leafy vegetables, milk will help to prevent this disease. Beriberi is caused due to lack of vitamin B in our diet. The symptoms are numbness in hand and feet. There is loss of appetite and weight. It affects the nerves and muscles of the body. Diet rich in vitamin B cures beriberi, which is present in cereals, meat, fish, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. Scurvy is lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. Scurvy causes bleeding and swelling of gums. Gums get easily infected. Oranges, lemon, amla, tomatoes, and sprouted grains are rich in vitamin C. Rickets. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets. In rickets, the bones become very soft and break easily. In children, the legs become bow-shaped. Vitamin D is also called sunshine vitamin, as when we are exposed to sunlight, the skin produces vitamin D. Vitamin D, along with minerals like calcium and phosphorus, make bones and teeth strong. Milk and its products contain calcium, which is also good for bones. That is why when children are small, they are asked to have lots of milk to make their bones and teeth strong. Anemia. Lack of iron in food causes anemia. It decreases the level of hemoglobin in a body. Hemoglobin is a substance present in blood that carries oxygen. An anemic person gets tired easily, has dark circles under the eyes, looks pale, and also suffers from loss of appetite. A diet rich in green leafy vegetables, dates, beetroot, spinach, fruits like apple, pomegranate, guava, and eggs should be taken regularly to prevent anemia. Goiter. Lack of mineral called iodine in our diet causes goiter. A person suffering from goiter will have swelling in her neck. The best way to prevent is by taking iodine salt in our food. Obesity. Obesity is a condition where a person accumulates too much of fat, which starts having a negative effect on the body. It is caused due to overeating. Many children suffer from it because they prefer having junk food over healthy food. The only way to cure it is to have a balanced diet and do a lot of exercise. Healthy eating habits. Besides eating a well-balanced diet, we should also take care while cooking food. The food should not be overcooked as it loses its nutrition value. Wash the vegetables before cutting them as some of the nutrients get washed away. We should wash our hands before and after each meal. Food should be preserved properly as spoiled food contains germs. Like milk can be preserved by pasteurization. Cooked food can be preserved by refrigerating it. One must do regular exercise which improves the blood flow in our body. It is also necessary to take proper rest, which will prepare us for a better tomorrow. Now, the things to remember are: food gives us energy to do work and provide us with essential nutrients for growth. Next is, The 5 essential nutrients are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Water and roughage are also needed in diet. Carbohydrates are also known as the starch food. They provide us energy to do work. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. They provide us energy and heat. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food. They are needed by our body for growth and repair of cells. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. They protect us from germs and diseases. Water and roughage is needed by our body to maintain the temperature of the body and to throw out the waste of the body. Lack of vitamins and minerals cause deficiency diseases. Now students, I hope you are able to understand. Now here are the exercises to check your understanding. Take the correct answer. There are 4 options. You need to take the one option that is correct. These are the next exercises. The answers are mostly available in the book. Read carefully to get the answers. Now here is an activity. Complete the table given below and check if you had balanced diet on the day. Write the quantity of food item also. In breakfast, what do you take? Tiffin, lunch, snacks and dinner. Carbohydrate-rich food, fat-rich food, protein-rich food, vitamin and mineral-rich food. In breakfast, tiffin, lunch, snacks and dinner. And rate yourself. Prepare a day's balanced diet for yourself. This will benefit to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Learn it, read it. If you have any doubt, write your comment in the comment box. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.